Hello guys, I found this new solar powered light that I found on Amazon. It's pretty cool. It's powered by the sun, and you can press a button to press the lights on, and it does a strobe effect. This can also be started by a remote control, and it also has paneling here that you can put into your wall. And you can put this online and then put this on a wall, and then you can easily help prevent intrusions from happening in your home. Light up 202 lamp beads, easy to install. Angle of the solar panel and lights can be adjusted by the arm. 2 installation methods. 1, integrated installation. Arms of the solar panel is embedded above the lamp body. 2, separate installation. Solar panel has a 5-meter long line. The solar panel can be installed separately in a place with sufficient sunlight. 3 sensing modes. Sensing mode 1, high, light off. Sensing mode 2, low light, high light, low light. Sensing mode 3, 50% brightness, always on.